Okay, now taking into account the graph of an exponential function, we assume that it's an exponential function. We are going to write the equation of that function. It means we are going to write this, which means we need to identify what A is and what B is. It means the initial value and the growth or decay factor. It's evident from what you see in this function that it's growing, so it should have a growth factor. That means that B has to be greater than 1. At the same time, and this is what we need to understand properly, let's find out what A is. From previous videos, we reviewed that the initial value corresponds to A. That is, when the x value is 0. If you take a look at the points that have been described, look at this. This point has x value of 0, so it means that A, the initial value, is 1, so I just found it. Now I need to know what B is. B is that recurrent number that is multiplying every single time. So I could do this. I could say, well, when x is -1, the y value is 1/10. When x is 0, the y value is 1. And when x is 1, the y value is 10. So you take a look at that and you say, well, it seems like as I go further, one step at a time, I am multiplying by 10. And this recurrent factor, or the product that is recurring every time, is the one that is telling me that B value. So it's 10. So I found it. Now that I have these two values, I can now write the equation of this function, which is y equals 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the x value. And that's it. Okay? That's all.